In this video, I will show you how to find the volume of a variety of shapes. So let's start with this prism. Write the formulas for each of the following. The volume of a prism, that's just going to be the area of the base times the height. So just don't forget that this capital B right here stands for the area of the base. Okay? And of course, this is the height. Now, for a pyramid or a cone, it's very similar to that, but it's going to be 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, so let's look at a prism. Prisms have two congruent bases that don't touch. So I'm hoping you can see that we have the ends of the prism, we have two triangles. Those are the bases, all right? So there's this one triangle in the front, there's another triangle in the back, all right? Those are the bases. The height of this prism is the distance between those bases. So please understand that the height of the prism is 13, not 3. That's a common mistake, is to go, oh, look how tall the prism is. It's 3 feet tall, and students will use 3 as the height. No, no, no. For a prism, it's the distance between the bases, so 13 is going to be the height. Okay, anyway, two congruent bases that don't touch. Highlight the two bases. Oh, look, I did that. What shape is each base? A triangle. Okay, which two lengths do we need to find the area of the base? Ignore everything else. Okay, so for a triangle, it's 1/2 base times height, meaning the base of the triangle itself. So this is going to be 1/2 8 times 3. Okay, just looking at the triangle, the base is 8 and the height is 3. So that means, so we have 1/2, I'm just recopying it, 8 times 3. Half of 8 is 4, so this is like 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, so the area of the base is 12. Good to know. The height of the prism, what did I say the height of the prism was? 13. So the height of the prism is 13. Okay, so the volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. So that's going to be 12 times 13. 156 cubic feet. So feet cubed. Now let's try this cone, which is a lot like a pyramid. Let's see, pyramids and cones have one base and one apex. On the picture above, highlight the cone's base and apex. So here's the base right here. All right, the base is a circle, and here is the apex. What is the radius of the cone's base? Well, the diameter is 30, so that means the radius is going to be 15. To find the area of the base. Well, this is a circle. All right, so I'm going to use capital B, which represents the area of the base. And for a circle, that is pi r squared. That's the area of a circle. So that means the area of the base is going to be pi 15 squared. So that means that the area of the base is going to be 225 pi. Okay, now find the height of the cone. Well, the height is the distance, the perpendicular distance between the base and the apex. So the height is what I'm drawing here in green, and that is 36. Okay, so we need to find the volume of this cone. Here's the formula. The volume of a cone is 1/3 area of the base times the height. So this is going to be 1/3. The area of the base was 225 pi times the height, which is 36. So I really can just put all of that into my calculator. Oops, messed up my parentheses. Oh, there. I didn't know we would get an exact answer. 2,700 pi let's go ahead and get the decimal approximation. 8,482.3. Now this is volume, so the units will be cubic meters. All right, so these are the two versions of the answer. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Go ahead and click here in the red apple to watch the next video. Click in the green apple to subscribe, or click the yellow apple for the full playlist.